Hello, welcome back to my embroidery studio. Today we're going to stitch out the fifth of the daily freebies. Now this is a silhouette that I've created around one of the ivy leaves. Outlines and silhouettes are perfect for metallic threads. You need to do them for small elements and outline running stitches. They are a lot easier than doing it for dense areas. Now I have a silver here. I've kept my original needle. I use a top stitch needle for all my embroidery. The only thing I'm going to do to stitch this out is I'm going to turn the speed down to midway. It's not essential, but I think it helps. So once again, we have a box of fixing stitches. Because of the ridges on slubby silk dupion, when you do the outline box to secure everything in place, you can always see perfectly whether you have actually placed the fabric straight. As you can see, we've got this little ridge here and it's perfect. So let's stitch out this outline and see what it looks like in a silver metallic thread. It's very simple, and you will see this silhouette throughout the collection. Obviously, if you don't want to include it, you can just skip it and not stitch it out. You can imagine the veins of the leaves, how they would look in silver or the other metallic thread on top of the green. Do play with metallic thread as it adds depth, shine, sparkle to your designs. And don't be frightened of it, providing you use good quality and you slow your machine down, you shouldn't have too many problems. I hope you found that useful, and until next time, happy embroidery.